Hello, in front of me I've got MIO MiVue. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to windscreen. In the beginning we have to prepare plastic sticker that is included in original package. As you can see right here, we've got two stickers. One is the spare. Firstly, clean the windscreen. Make sure to degrease it and dry it. Next, peel off the film on the sticker and then stick it to windscreen. Next, take a look at the bottom of your dashcam and remove this sticker here. Also in the original package we've got the spare adhesive sticker. Once you've done it, imagine here is the windscreen. Stick the dashcam like this and next adjust the angle of the dashcam. In the end, connect it to cable and it's done. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.